Poor boy, soaking wet.
He's happy about it. Collected his fun of stuff.
That's good.
And more people are giving out water.
Lollipop. There we go. Thank you. There. Some
He's got a bun.
water.
Why are you giving me water?
Because I'll drink it later.
Water?
Because I'm going to be thirsty.
Can't carry all of it.
I'll give it to Edward. I'll drink it in a car. We're going to go to downtown. Here, Edward. That's our water to drink later. We're going downtown. No. Soaking wet family watching parade. Oh. Say thank you. What is it? Oh, they're different one.
They're exactly the same.
No, they're different.
No, they're exactly
different words.
No, they're exactly the same.
Oh. Oh, they're giving some t-shirt. Come on, baby. Go stand up here. I'm going to go ask some t-shirt. Up here. T-shirt. Giving away some t-shirt. There's some more candy there. Give me. Sweetie, can I have t-shirt? No, they're not giving us t-shirt. Don't be close to the road.
I saw that cave before.
Yeah, you had one and you had two and you don't want it.
That was in the last parade. The cave.
We're toy cave.
He's learning. He said, give it. Give it.
Got plenty of water.
Well, that's good. So,
Of course, Babu takes another one. There it goes. Uh-oh, here come sprayers. I'm going to have to watch out for those.
where? I don't like the sprayer. I'm gonna run away.
They're still up the street. There's a big Tootsie Roll.
Down there, go. Get that Tootsie Roll, hurry up. Tootsie Roll, Tootsie Roll. Daddy love Tootsie Roll.
It's an empty package. What'd it do?
Oh. Tootsie, 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 Tootsie. There you go, Babo. Na. Kuliling. They're kuliling, kuliling, kuliling. Kuliling, 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 kuliling.
Yeah, the sprayers are coming.
Kuliling, 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 kuliling. There's some more kuliling. Some more kuliling. There's some more Tootsie Roll. Mama loved to pick up Tootsie-Roll.
3 Tootsie Rolls. Sprayers are close.
More popsicles coming.
Yeah, beads. Thank you. I had it now.
Here's a bracelet also.
More popsicles.
5 now, 3 of them are yellow.
5 popsicles.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get out of the way here in a little bit.
Oh!